Are you trying to lose weight but constantly feel tired, low on energy, and craving sweets? You might be eating the wrong foods. Most people don't realize that sugar and refined carbs not only lead to weight gain, but also contribute to inflammation, fatty liver, and energy crashes. The good news is, you can actually trick your body into burning fat more effectively, just by swapping out harmful foods for healthy, low-carb, sugar-free options. In this video, I'll share 14 golden foods that are sugar-free, starch-free, packed with energy, metabolism boosting, super satisfying, and incredibly good for your health. Stick around until the end to find out which foods might secretly be helping your body burn fat every day. 1. Arugula, rocket lettuce. Organic arugula is one of the most nutrient-dense, starch-free leafy greens. It's rich in natural nitrates that improve blood flow and boost energy, especially during workouts. It also contains folate, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium, all essential for metabolism. Add arugula to salads or lightly saute it in butter. 2. Eggs. Eggs are packed with all the building blocks of life and contain virtually no carbs. The yolk is rich in choline and lecithin, which help the liver produce bile and break down fat. Eggs are also high in protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, all of which help with cell repair and growth. Eating 2 to 4 eggs a day can stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. 3. Red meat. Start eating more high-quality grass-fed red meats like beef, lamb, venison, or organ meats like liver. These are complete proteins, free from carbs and sugar, but rich in iron and vitamin B12, which support muscle building, fat burning, and energy production. Beef is also high in CLA, a fat that helps boost metabolism. 4. Fatty fish. Oily fish like wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, anchovies, and shellfish are loaded with omega-3 south, powerful anti-inflammatory fats that help repair oxidative damage caused by sugar and processed foods. Avoid farmed fish, which may contain antibiotics, artificial coloring, and lower nutrients. 5. Cruciferous vegetables. Swap out starchy foods like potatoes and rice for cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These are rich in phytonutrients and sulfur compounds that support liver detoxification. They're also packed with potassium and magnesium, which help improve insulin sensitivity. 6. Butter. Grass-fed butter is an excellent source of active vitamin A, retinol, essential for healthy skin, eyes, and hair. The cholesterol in butter helps produce vital hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Cooking with butter instead of inflammatory vegetable oils can also aid fat digestion and calcium absorption. 7. Avocados and olive oil. Avocados and olive oil are fantastic sources of monounsaturated fats, great for balancing hormones, reducing insulin resistance, and enhancing fat metabolism. The green flesh of avocado is rich in potassium, magnesium, and a special fat called avocatin B. Olive oil contains compounds like oleocanthal and tyrosol that support liver function and can be drizzled over veggies or meats. 8. Other dairy products. Plain Greek yogurt is rich in protein, while kefir provides beneficial bacteria to support digestion. Dairy products from grass-fed animals, such as mozzarella, camembert, brie, pecorino, or goat cheese, are high in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K2, protein, and fatty acids that are good for the brain. Chia seeds. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with yogurt, water, or almond milk for a low-carb breakfast. Chia seeds are rich in plant-based protein and soluble fiber, helping nourish friendly gut bacteria and maintain smooth digestion. 10. Low-carb nuts. Macadamia nuts, Brazil nuts, and beans are low in carbohydrates and high in soluble fiber, helping to control blood sugar levels. They can be eaten as snacks or mixed with unsweetened dark chocolate. These nuts provide zinc, selenium, monounsaturated fats, and vitamin B1. 11. Herbs A. Fresh herbs such as mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme contain antioxidants, support digestion, reduce inflammation, and help balance blood sugar. 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms like white button mushrooms, shiitake, portobello, and oyster mushrooms are low in carbs but rich in fiber, B vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. You can add them to soups, stir-fries, or lightly salt them in butter. 13. Fermented vegetables. If you're dealing with bloating or indigestion, try fermented vegetables like kimchi, sauerkraut, or pickles. These contain probiotics and natural enzymes that help absorb nutrients better and support the gut microbiome. 14. Spices. Spices like turmeric, cinnamon, coriander, black pepper, cardamom, ginger, and cayenne pepper contain plant compounds that support the liver, pancreas, and digestive system. They are very low in carbs, so just a small amount is enough to enhance flavor and provide health benefits. These are 14 foods that are almost free of starch or sugar, but are extremely nutrient-dense, helping you feel full, boost energy, and burn fat naturally. If you're looking for ways to eat smarter to stay healthy, energized, and maintain or lose weight, start by adding these foods to your daily menu. Have you tried any of these foods from the list? Comment below to let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss the next videos on health, diet, and smart living. See you in the next video, where you will continue discovering simple but effective tips for staying healthy and living a better life every day.